Just keep on trying.
Oh, it fell over. What's up from CW's garage? The wife's little Honda Civic making a weird noise, and it's like a clinking around. So let's see if it's maybe not just a rock stuck between the rotor and the dust shield. We found the offender. Hear it clinking around. Yeah, it's a little piece of asphalt. The perks of living in the rural United States. Alright, we're gonna pull the caliper off, and it's a 3/4 drive. That's an old Theo socket. Caliper is loose. Caliper's gonna chill up here. Brake pads look good though, huh? Not bad for 50 some odd thousand miles. We just gotta get this Phillips off and then pull the rotor off. Yeah. Luckily I've got these JDM screwdrivers, these vessel screwdrivers, for just the occasion. Oh, stop moving. Alright. You have to get a bigger hammer, you know. Can't get enough grip on that one. These vessel screwdrivers, they got these ones Impacta. You strike them and they work like an impact driver. They go twist, they twist. Maybe I don't have to. Don't you know? Oh, front wheel drive cars, I don't. Just, help me understand that. Turns out you just need a little hammer. Let's see what we got here. This is our problem. A little tiny rock. Let's see where it was. I don't know if you can see the whites on there. See the little white marks. Anyway, yeah, that's what it is. So we'll put it back together and she can drive it tomorrow. She didn't have to drive my old gas guzzler. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.